Okay, let's do a quick visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find both inside and out. So looking at the tires, there's a ton of tread left on them. They look really good. Here on this wheel, I see a little scratch here, one right there, a couple minor rock chips every once in a while. These are 325, 65, 18s. Got a couple imperfections on the plastic there. Looking at this fender, all of that looks amazing. Got a couple scuffs on the side mirror. Looking at this door, we have a couple chips right here on that very edge. Got a little scuff on the door edge there, little chip here. So far that looks good. That lower section looks nice. This door's clean. Now in this section, it does have rock impacts and little rock chips every once in a while. So you can see on the plastic, it has all of those little impacts. And then here on the paint, and of course you're going to have some chips that come with this as well. Really anything from here down. The rest of that bedside looks good. Got a chip here, chip there, a couple small ones just every once in a while, but overall that wheel looks amazing. Got the hard bed cover there. See an imperfection here on the vinyl, just a little impact from a rock. A few tiny rock chips, so otherwise that hood looks amazing. Headlights look good. Some rock impacts on the lower side. I don't see any damage other than just little rock impacts, so that front end looks amazing. Then looking at the front end, of course you are going to have some rock chips, and so you can see these kind of peppered every once in a while. There's some touch-up spots here from rock impacts. Got a tiny rock chip there. And then looking at the engine bay, of course, lots of plastic, so it's hard to see the supercharger on here, but it is hiding back there. See a little bit in here. That hood liner looks good. All of this plastic is clean. Got your amp research boards on it, so there's that module. Then here on the bedside, see a couple scuffs here. See the plastic has some rock impacts. We have some chips in this area. Of course, here down, it's kind of peppered with rock impacts and rock chips. You're going to see those throughout the plastic and on the paint. Here on this wheel, besides a couple rock chips, it looks amazing. I see a couple surface scuffs right there. That door looks good. That door edge is really clean. See a few very light scuffs there. Mirror looks good. That fender's clean. See a scratch right there. Couple of rock chips, but other than that, that wheel looks amazing. This side of the truck is really clean. And then you have a bed liner. It is from Line-X. Looks really good in here. And then you have Armor Flex by Undercover, the trifold bed cover. So looking at the tailgate, I see some little chips here on that lower side. The rest of that tailgate looks good. That back bumper looks awesome. And then now I'm looking down this bed rail. I do see it is bowed right here. Looks like something kind of indented it here and lifted that little corner up. Okay, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. You have a small imperfection on the suede right there. All these buttons look perfect. That lower section's clean. A few scuffs on this little trim, a couple scuffs on the paint. Got the all-weather mats. That bolster looks good. That's super clean. Looking at the seat back, I don't see really any flaws. That's a really, really clean seat. Got the Alcantara here on the top and bottom. And it's not matted down. You can see it's really soft. These buttons look good. All of that looks perfect. Checking out the upper side of the dash. Looks really nice. Got the massive screen. I'm not seeing anything that stands out as far as imperfections go. See maybe a couple on that cover there, but they're all very minor. This side of the vehicle looks amazing. Here on the front right door panel, we have a small scratch on the handle. That suede looks amazing. The rest of this door panel looks perfect. Got a couple scuffs on this trim. Got the nice all-weather mats. That bolster's perfect, as well as this one. I don't see any imperfections, but I do see a little scuff there and there. The rest of that looks good. All of that looks amazing. All of this is perfect. A couple scuffs on the glove box right here. This trim looks amazing. That looks good. Upper side of the dash is clean. You have the massive panoramic roof. There's really not much to pick apart on this side. On the back right door panel, a couple scuffs on that lower section. See a really faint scuff in the suede. The handle looks amazing. The upper side looks good. You have all that suede here around the seat. That looks perfect. Handle grips look good. Got the all-weather mats. These seats look good. I see a couple indentions there in the middle. Probably had a car seat or a little booster seat. These seats are heated and cooled back here. Everything back here looks good though. Here on the back left door panel, I don't see anything that stands out. That trim looks good. That seat back looks awesome. These seats are super clean. I'm not seeing really any flaws on them.